Hi guys, we are back again. This is Basic Home Tech. If this is your first time watching Basic Home Tech, kindly press the subscribe button, then the notification button, so that anytime we release a new video, you will receive a notification to watch. In this video, we are going to quickly learn how to set up your digital antenna so that you can get access to digital antenna stations to watch. So we are going to teach you how to set up your antenna to your TV.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Normally, when you buy the antenna like this is an old antenna which the person has a problem with, so we are working on it as though from the scratch to teach you how you can do it. When you buy the antenna fresh, it comes with a cable. But then the cable is poor. So what we are here to do is to do a cable replacement, but then it will be as though we are doing a new setup. So following carefully, you can know how to do a new setup. So the cable is spoiled. Now the cable that comes with this antenna has two sides. The F connector side, this is the F connector, and this is the RF side. Now if you want to know how to make this cable, we've already made a video on it, so you can search through our videos to get access to the videos to watch how to make this cable. Now what you will need to do is, you see that we have this side of the antenna. What you will do, as you can see, this side of the antenna, so what you need to do is to connect there. This is the F connector side. You connect it like this. Then you screw. When you are done, you can leave it like that, or you use sellotape to cover this part so that when it rains, the rain will not be passing through the F connector to the inside of the cable. Sometimes when it rains, because there are some small holes around the screw, water passes through, thereby spoiling the cable over time. So you can use a sellotape. So it will become something like this. So you can see we have all the parts covered. So to set up the antenna, we have two ways to go about it. Either you use this kind of metal. As you can see, it has this part where you nail it to either your facial or your concrete wall, then you fix the antenna on it. Or you can use wood. You just put the wood, or maybe you just put the antenna first, then you put the wood, or you put the wood, then you put the antenna. But then it's more recommendable to use this with the wood setup. When you have a problem, you will have to get a ladder which can give you access to the top of the antenna. But then if you can't get a ladder which can give you access to the top of the antenna, that means that it will be difficult adjusting the antenna to get the stations when you have a problem. But then with this, you can easily adjust the antenna when you have a problem, because you just have to open it like this, then you fine tune it. Because depending on your area, depending on the area that you are at, when you do the setup, you scan the stations and you are not getting access to some of the stations, you will have to come and tune it again. But then if you use the wood setup, many times it becomes a problem fine tuning it. So we are going to put our antenna. Making sure that this part is facing down. Then using your sellotape, you make it somehow like this. This is to prevent the cable from pulling out. Then you send it up. You send it up. So this is up. Then where to tune it to, it will depend on the area that you are in. So normally what the best thing to do is to look out for those who have already done the setup in your area, then also tune yours to the same position. So somehow like this. Normally those in this area, they have their antenna facing like this, so you can leave it like this. But then when you scan the stations and some of the stations are not working, then you come back, then you tune it again. You now send this cable inside so you can connect it to your TV. You now have to send this side inside so you can connect it to your TV. Then you begin your scanner. So that is it. This is how to set up the antenna by yourself in your home. So when you buy a new antenna, this is how you set it up. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to teach you how to set up your box or your TV to get access to the TV channels.